Welcome to Pinnacle Performance Company's Fishbowl Friday with Pinnacle co-founder and COO G. Riley Mills and master instructor and editorial director Brad Lawrence.
Hey everybody, it's Fishbowl Fridays here with Pinnacle Performance Company. My name is Brad Lawrence. This is G. Riley Mills. G, what's going on?
This is the Fishbowl. We got a bunch of questions. We're going to answer one.
Just one.
One. Send people on their way to have a good weekend. Why don't you draw it?
I get to, okay.
Or no, you want me to draw it?
Too late.
Okay, go for it.
Too late.
What do we got?
Oh, handwriting's. How can you tell if somebody lacks, I think that says executive presence.
What are the tells of someone lacking presence?
Yes.
Okay. The tells of someone lacking presence.
So that word already, I think, is it's a very interesting word to use.
Yeah.
How many of you out there are poker players? Because do you know what a tell is, Gary?
I do know what a tell is.
What is that? What is
Where you
a tell?
give something away, right? You communicate something that maybe you didn't mean to communicate.
Yeah, and obviously in poker that's a big deal because if I'm trying to bluff,
Yeah.
and we're high stakes poker games, if you can identify how I'm feeling in a particular moment, how I feel about my cards, that gives you a lot of information.
And an advantage.
An advantage, huge advantage.
Great. So what are some tells for you? I've got some.
Oh, well, what I say in all my workshops is, after 20 years of doing this, the thing that I look for the most is what people do with their hands, what people do with their gestures. Because I think, to a large degree, gestures are very subconscious. You don't think about your hands until you're in the spotlight.
Yeah.
So the more natural somebody's feeling, the more at ease somebody's feeling, the more at ease their gestures are.
Yeah. And extremities, to your point, hands and feet.
Yeah.
They're called pacifiers in the Pinnacle methodology, if you've taken a coaching session or read one of our books. And a pacifier is any place where nervous energy leaks out. So this is a tell. This hurts your presence when you have that kind of, when you're swaying back and forth, when you're shifting your feet or wandering around without purpose.
Yeah.
Those are all tells.
All that anxiety starts building up, and that energy has to go somewhere, and oftentimes it leaks out in very unproductive ways.
And in our Pinnacle coaching sessions and our training sessions, our workshops, we work on impression management, which is you got 5 seconds to make a strong first impression. So if you control the messages you're sending out with your body and your voice and your gestures, you're going to control how that audience thinks of you. And so those tells, we want to get rid of those so that you are projecting confidence and you're signaling to the audience, I'm ready to go, I'm prepared, and I'm not afraid to be here.
Signaling.
Signaling theory. That's what it's called. You're signaling to the audience.
Yeah, so for those of you out there who are concerned about looking more confident, projecting more executive presence, I would say the place to start is those subconscious, unknown behaviors, exhibitions of anxiety that you might be manifesting that tell the people around you how you're feeling.
There you go. That is your Fishbowl for this Friday. Have a great week, everybody. We'll see you next time.
If you'd like to submit a question for the Fishbowl, drop us an email at fishbowl@pinper.com. If you'd like to learn more about Pinnacle Performance Company, email us at info@pinper.com. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and tell your friends. See you next week.